are always interested in knowing how food is made. So coming here today with this tour group, it was perfect to be able to see and to ask questions about how soy milk is made and how tofu is made.
So today you have a group of culinary students from North Dakota State College of Science and dietitians and social media influencers. Earlier today they got to actually try some different tofus, some miso, soy nut butter, soy milk, and things like that. So they're able to get an idea of kind of the textures and the taste and the flavors of those things and how they'd incorporate them into meals.
It just helps to see it in living color so people understand what goes into making a product. It's that hands-on application that is also so important. We found that people will listen and say, oh my, yes, I can do that. But until you get and actually start making it and actually feeling the tofu and seeing how it does blend in or keep its shape, it misses a little bit. So it's like, we really like to show that application piece.
Soy protein is really, a good staple for that diet, and helping people understand the benefit of soy in their food and the health benefits of it really helps, share the importance of all the work our soybean farmers do here in North Dakota.